What's up, guys? This is the first ever video to Naked Finance or Naked Finance, whichever you'd prefer. I'm going to show you today how to get started in DeFi. First things first, guys, you're going to want to get Coinbase or Gemini account and fund that with money. Simple. So you're going to come to the Chrome Web Store. You're going to install Metamask and Phantom Wallet. Pretty simple. So once you do that, one thing you're going to do is see here you have your address. This is where you're going to send your money from Coinbase or a centralized exchange to your MetaMask. Okay. And then the security aspect. This is how you guys stay safe on the web. All right. You're going to reveal your secret recovery phase, and you're going to write this down. Very important that you write it down. Okay. If you lose it, you're fucked. All right. And as simple as that. Okay. All right, so shout out to this video. It's for your friend that says, well, I don't know what to do to get started in DeFi. Well, here, we're going to show you what to do. And we're going to show you how to do it across different chains, okay? So when you first install MetaMask, it's just going to come with a few basic chains, mainly Ethereum, okay? These chains. I have already went ahead and added these chains, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Chainlist.org, right? This is how you are going to add a chain. For example, I'll add Polygon. I already did, but this is just the steps. I'm connected to QuickSwap. Okay. I was connected to QuickSwap too. So now you can see I'm connected after adding a chain. And now I'm on the Polygon chain. Okay. And I went ahead and pre-funded these accounts so we can operate on them. The Phantom Wallet is just for Solana. Okay, guys? You're going to need to have a Phantom Wallet, like as simple as that. Okay. Since I mentioned I pre-funded everything, let's just show you how to make some swaps. This is Saber. This is how you're going to. This is like the man behind the scenes. Okay. This provides all the liquidity you're going to need for Allbridge, which is my favorite platform to use to go cross chain. I like operating on Arbitrum too, okay? So I'm going to show you Hot Protocol. This is good to go with Arbitrum, okay? But also, you can use Abracadabra Money to go cross-chain as well. So you can go from like Avalanche to Arbitrum, and when you click Avalanche, it'll bring it up to switch the network. Okay, so the next thing you want to do, we'll start on Solana. We'll show you how to move around from Solana to other different chains, okay? So we will swap some Solana to USDC. And USDC is the main centralized stablecoin. It's even a public company. You can look it up. It's called Circle. So we are transferring our Solana tokens that we sent from Coinbase to Solana. Okay. And we're transferring that to USDC. And now we're going to take this USDC balance and we're going to go over to Saber. And if you want to go across chains, you need wrapped USDC. Because if you go to Allbridge, if you want to go from Solana to, let's say, Avalanche, you can only use these. So that's how you know. So I'm going to go into Saber, and I'm going to swap USDC. Click Max, Review, and then you make your swap. So what did I just do? I just made my US dollar on Solana be able to go cross-chain now through Allbridge to Avalanche. This process can be mimicked across a bunch of different chains, but for this example, I am using Solana to Avalanche. We're going to do AA USDC, and we're going to connect our Phantom wallet because we're operating on Solana, and then we are going to want to send our assets to, well, our Ethereum. for our MetaMask address. This address is compatible throughout your whole MetaMask, so it also works for Ethereum. Paste that in, send to Max. And it's going to pop up. You'll confirm it. If you want to, you can view it on the Block Explorer. And you can see it has been confirmed. All right. Now we got to connect our MetaMask to receive the transfer. Add the token to our wallet. Now we have money on Avalanche. Okay? This will work for all the chains offered here on Allbridge. This concept will work for Hop Exchange, going from Polygon to Arbitrum, So while Allbridge isn't offered direct to like Arbitrum per se, you can work around it by using Hop. Or now once you're on Avalanche, you can also just use Abracadabra Money, and you can go to the bridge here, and this is how you're going to bridge MIM. So I have some MIM. You can see that I can go from Avalanche to Ethereum. And the primary difference here is that I want to use MIM because I'm a big fan of the Abracadabra Money ecosystem. It's purely decentralized. There's a big difference. I'll get into that maybe some other day, but MIM is decentralized stablecoin, pegged 1-to-1. Okay, so now we are looking to do something with our cash on Trader Joe, aka we want to get it to MIM. Okay, so you come over here to trade, and you'll have to approve it if you've never done this before, but I've already done that. Make the swap, and as you can see in my wallets, as I mentioned, I pre-funded them. It's going to cost gas. So whether it's on Ethereum, Solana, Polygon, you're going to need that native token to that blockchain. Okay. Cool. Well, that's been submitted. So now I went from the USDC to MIM. You can see it's pending over here in the corner. Cool. So that's how we have gone from different chains across different platforms. And then we'll even show you another example here. If I want to go from, we'll go back from MIM to USDC, or, it's simple. You just approve MIM. I'm not going to do it right now. So then you can take your USDC, take that out, use Allbridge platform, and go to different chains. So we used Radium, Trader Joe. This is Paraswap. This is also a good chain to use if you want to go from like Polygon, BSC, Avalanche. I like this because you can swap different types of tokens, not just stable coins. But Allbridge, it's powered, backed by Saber, has very deep liquidity. I'm a big fan of this, and I guess we'll get more in depth next video. But hey guys, thank you. This has been my first video, Naked Finance. Follow me on Twitter @CoinsNaked, @CallsNaked. That's a traditional finance platform, is Calls Naked, and then the crypto platform is Coins Naked. Guys, like I said, my first video, maybe the audio quality is shitty. Yeah, I realize that. But thanks for tuning in. I'll stop rambling, and feel free to comment, like, subscribe. Okay. We're building a platform. We are going to get people on DeFi. We're going to show them how to do things. We're going to have productive, constructive conversation. This channel is going to be great. So like and subscribe, boys and girls. So, okay, I'm out.